The officers aren't looking for who's right and who's wrong. They're looking for who they can charge. Oftentimes, intelligent people or very educated people have this need to be right, and they're going to want to explain to the officers what happened and why they think that they're right. And the officers don't care whether these people think they're right or they think they're wrong or what the circumstances are. They're just looking for the elements of the offense and to see if they can go ahead and arrest someone for something or get an admission of guilt. And if they can charge both of you, they're just as happy and they're gonna do it.
What are the top tricks that cops use to entrap you? If a cop pulls you over, they already think you did something wrong. They either want to give you a ticket or they want to arrest you, or they think that maybe you're someone that they could arrest in the future. So if they ask you questions like where you're coming from and where you're going to, don't answer the questions. Be polite, give them your name, give them your license, give them your registration, but don't answer questions such as where you're coming from and where you're going to.
When the police officer says, "Do you know why I pulled you over?" even if you're trying to be polite, that you don't answer the question, because you're going to be providing evidence against yourself. Whether it's a basic traffic ticket, because if you admit that you were speeding, that's a basis to pull you over, or if they're using that citation as a basis for a much more serious crime. You don't want to give them probable cause for your stop. Don't give them any information and ask for permission to go ahead and reach for things so you don't make them nervous. Help them de-escalate the situation and feel comfortable with you and more trusting of what you're going to be doing.
One of the ways that they'll try to trap you when you're pulled over is they'll ask you, how much did you have to drink, when they're thinking of conducting a DUI investigation or they want to arrest you for a DUI. You cannot answer this question. It's very important because almost everyone answers just one drink, and now you've admitted to one of the elements of DUI. So if a cop pulls you over and they ask you, how much have you had to drink tonight? Don't answer their question. Be polite. Yes, sir. No, sir. Give them your license and registration, but do not answer if you've had anything to drink.
Many times, law enforcement can help people. They can save people. But when they're pulling you over, they are not your friend. They can be helpful under certain circumstances, but overall, when you're interacting with them, if they're pulling you over, they're there to charge you with something. Their entire purpose is to find a crime or an infraction that they can charge you with so that the county can effectively make some money. I always tell everyone to treat a police officer with respect because you're not going to gain anything from being a jerk to them. They're also just there doing their job. Don't have a need to be right in front of the cop. You're only going to dig yourself in deeper.